Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this. That was a great intro, it was great. Basically it's a candy cane eye and I added a little Santa hat for some festivities. I really like how this turned out. I'm really digging it. Also, let's ignore my self-tan throughout the video because I'm taking it off tonight and it looks like crap. And I know that. I just don't come for me saying your self-tan looks like crap because like I know. Alright guys, the first shade we're gonna start off with is one of my favorite palettes. I've used this in my videos many times before and it will remain in my videos many times to come. It is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Guess who's here? It's a sulfur! The shade we're going to be starting out with is this red right here. Please don't chew on the tree. And I'm going to be taking one of my favorite brushes by e.l.f. and it's just a small dome brush. But it just, I don't know how to describe it, it's so good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking that red and putting it right into the crease and we're gonna really build this color up. So you're gonna be placing it right around here. Don't go up to the brow bone, stop at the brow bone. Okay, once that is as opaque as I want it to be, you're going to take that same brush and you're gonna just wipe it off on a paper towel until it runs clean. Now take that same brush and lightly start to blend this line and don't worry about getting it to your brow bone or your brow because there are ways to clean that up, and if you're scared, you'll end up with a harsh line. So don't be scared. Now once it's halfway blended out, you're going to take a little bit more red and pop this right in the crease again, and then without wiping off your brush, you're just going to very lightly blend that up towards the brow till it's married to your skin. Alright, now that it's pretty much blended, I'm going to take my yellow face powder, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Caramel Toffee. I'm going to just take a little bit of that yellow and place it right underneath the brow bone. And what this is going to do is not only clean up our brow bone a little bit, it's really going to help blend that red into the skin and make it look flawless. Okay, for that glitter line in the crease, I am going to do it before I cut the crease just because I really want that line to be sharp. You can do it after, I'm going to do it before. So I'm taking my Too Faced glitter glue and I'm taking my NYX Glitter Mania. And I don't think it has a color name, but I think it's just the silver one. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that glitter glue and squeeze it onto the cap. And then I'm taking a Tarte little angled eyeliner brush, dipping into that glitter glue. I'm just going to create the line right above where we're going to cut the crease, so you're going to create it kind of high. And I am kind of flicking it out at the end like that. Go down this side. And then go ahead and wipe off the brush and go ahead and dip into that NYX glitter and just pat that over the glitter glue. I have glitter all over my face. Just take your powder brush and dust that away. Now taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in shade Light Medium Honey. I'm just going to cut the crease with this. So I'm taking a very small detail brush and dipping into that concealer, and I'm going ahead and cut the crease. And as you can see, I did cut it all the way out towards my temple. And then go ahead and set with a flesh tone eyeshadow. Do not use white because you need it to contrast on the candy cane. So yeah, cut it with a flesh tone eyeshadow. Okay, for the Peppermint eyeliner, we're going to be using our, mine's a little beat up, but it's my CC Beauty 12 color flash kit, and you can get this on Amazon. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create our winged eyeliner with this white right here. I am using my Anastasia number 12 brush. It is just a very tiny angled brush. I actually use this for my brows, but today we're gonna use it for this. Now to make sure that this is as opaque as possible, go ahead and pack on the white after you have your outline done. And then go ahead and set with any translucent powder. I'm using my Ben Nye Neutral set. Now taking that same Anastasia number 12 brush, make sure you pinch the bristles together to create the thinnest line you possibly can, and then go ahead and take that red from the CC Beauty palette and lightly dip into it, and I mean lightly. You only want it on the tip of the brush. And then you are going to create diagonal lines. So basically what I do when I create these little lines is I just dab it on and then I go over until it's opaque enough, and right when I'm done, I wipe off the brush, I take the same brush, I dip it into my Ben Nye Neutral set, and I set that line. And you'll see me doing that. I just don't want to talk while I'm doing it because it's very hard to talk and do this, so I'm letting you know. So again, dip it in very, very lightly, press it on as many times as you need to create red enough, and then wipe it off, dip it into the translucent powder, and set that line with the same brush. Now, as I'm getting close to the end, I'm only going to dip the face paint in about half of the brush. So dipping the very point in because this part gets really tiny. Okay, now that it's all set, I'm going to wipe away that powder. Alright, for the bottom lash line, I'm just going to be taking more of that red from the BH Cosmetics palette and our e.l.f. brush. And I'm just going to place this right under, or technically I guess on our lash line. And then to blend it out, just go ahead and wipe that off and then blend it out lightly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and mascara off camera. I'm using the Ardell Mega Volume number 250. And I haven't tried these yet, so we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, I'll be right back. All right, lashes are on. I actually like these because you can kind of see the candy cane like through the lashes, which I was scared it would cover them up. Okay, and for lips, going in with my favorite red. It's the ColourPop Succulent Liquid Lipstick. Alright, so now that the look is done, I do want to add a mini Santa hat to the top of my brow. We're going to take a single cotton ball. Also taking lash glue, we're going to take the end of a eyeshadow brush and kind of place this right here. You don't need a ton, just a little bit. And then rip off a little bit of cotton. This is gonna be like the brim of the hat. And we're gonna glue that on, making it look like the brim of a hat. We're gonna go back into that red from the palette and our Anastasia number 12 brush. We're just gonna draw the Santa hat. It's so cute. And then go ahead and color it in. Doesn't have to be perfect because Santa hats are fluffy. Taking a little bit more cotton, we're gonna ball this up, taking more lash glue, I'm gonna put that right here. Just plop it on. I'm gonna outline it in black. This step is totally optional. I just want it to pop a little bit more. Alright guys, and that is the finished look. If you guys wanted to get festive with the hat, you can leave it. You can leave it out and just do the candy cane eye. I was just feeling extra festive. Alright guys, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me. And I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas or a happy holiday, whatever you celebrate. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.